Hi, this is Swaminathan, Managing Director of Woodpecker Furniture. This is built for everyday living from the world of woodpecker. Your furniture buying should be a well-informed decision. So my own suggestion to you today, because the earlier days when you wanted to buy a furniture, you used to go and ask your friends for their opinion, their reviews and things like that. But today with so much of technology available with us, it's very easy. You can just go down to, say, Google review and check how's the review of the particular company, how many people are reviewed. If only 4 or 5 people are reviewed, it means it's not good enough. But there has to be thousands of people are reviewed. And if the rating is high, if something more than 4.5, 4.6 is fantastic. So, and you can definitely go and buy furniture from that particular brand. So today we don't have to ask people. You go for a review and go for maximum number of reviews. When you see the review, don't see only the positive reviews. See also the negative reviews, wherein there's been 1 star, 2 star reviews. You find out why 1 star, 2 star has been given. It's also very important for you to know what is wrong with that, what has gone wrong with that particular brand, and how they solve the problem. So the first step when you're buying a furniture is to look at the reviews of the brand. Number 1. Number 2, when you go to buy furniture, as I told you before, it is not an individual decision. It's a family decision. You ensure that you take your family members with you before deciding on it, because it's a decision which is going to affect the entire family, and it's not for now. It's going to affect for a long time to come. So ensure that you go with your families, discuss openly, voice out your opinions, ask questions to the shopkeeper, to the salesperson with whom you're dealing. Get all your requirements sorted out. You may have so many unknown questions like what is the material, what's the life, how long, why is it good enough for me or why it is not good enough for me, things like that. So keep on asking as many questions as you want. Get thoroughly satisfied, not only you but your family members. Be sure that this is the sofa that you want to buy for your house. The next important point, every furniture looks good in the showroom based on the lighting, based on the background, based on interior. Think, visualize how it is going to look in your place. What is also more important is that before you go to buy furniture, take the measurements of your room, because once you go there, you're going to see hundreds of sofa sets. You may get confused. You take the measurements, decide on what measurement you want, what size of sofa you want, what shape of sofa you want, what texture of sofa you want, what color of sofa you want. All those things are extremely critical and will help you to make an informed decision. But having said that, you may still end up choosing a wrong furniture. It's possible. So you should ask the shop specifically what happens when you take the sofa home, place it in the hall, you don't like it, you feel it's not suitable. Number 1. Number 2, your elderly mother was not able to come and experience the sofa in the showroom. So after it reaches home, your mother feels not comfortable. So in those cases, what is that avenue, what's the solution available to you? So at Woodpecker, we offer something what is called as try and buy. Now what is this try and buy? We allow you to buy the furniture, take it home, use it for 24 hours. So not only you but your family members, you place it the way you want it, be fully convinced it's good. Now for some reason, you feel it's not suitable, it's not suiting your house, it's not suiting your mother, it's not suiting elderly people at home, we offer you to come and change it. We'll take back the furniture, absolutely no questions asked, no transportation handling charges, we don't charge you anything for it. Come, select a new furniture, a different one, which you are now more convinced, which you are now sure this is much better for you. No questions asked. Try and buy. This is probably only Woodpecker which is offering this. And this particular scheme we are offering to people, a feature which we are offering to people, it is out of our experience knowing that buying furniture is not so easy. It is an experience that you learn only by making mistakes. So we are here to support you so a mistake doesn't become an expensive mistake. We will support you and take care of it.